Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Body Making Health Management. You know we're all about building healthy lifestyles, and a big part of that is making sure you're getting enough protein. In today's video, we're going to explore 10 high-protein foods that aren't meat. Let's dive in. Food 1. Greek yogurt, the protein powerhouse. First on our list is Greek yogurt. This creamy dairy product contains nearly twice the protein of regular yogurt, with 20 grams in a single cup. Enjoy it as a snack, mixed with fruits, or as a base for smoothies and salad dressings. Go for plain ones and add your own natural flavors. Greek yogurt is not only delicious but also incredibly versatile. You can sweeten it with a drizzle of honey or add a crunch with some granola. For a refreshing twist, blend it into your favorite smoothie, or use it to create a creamy salad dressing. It's a fantastic way to boost your protein intake while enjoying a tasty treat. Whether you prefer it sweet or savory, Greek yogurt is a nutritious addition to any meal. Food 2. Lentils. Small but mighty. Next up we have lentils. These tiny legumes provide 18 grams of protein per cooked cup and are rich in fiber. Add them to soups, salads, or veggie burgers for a nutritious meal. Get creative in the kitchen. Food 3. Chickpeas. The versatile bean. Also known as garbanzo beans, chickpeas offer about 15 grams of protein per cooked cup. They are a staple in many cuisines and can be used in countless ways. Hummus, roasted chickpeas, and chickpea salads are all great options. Plus, they're packed with iron and fiber. Trust me, your body will thank you. Chickpeas are incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into both savory and sweet dishes. From creamy soups to crunchy snacks, they fit perfectly into any meal plan. You can even use chickpea flour as a gluten-free alternative in baking. Not only are they nutritious, but they also have a delightful nutty flavor that enhances any dish. Whether you're a vegan, vegetarian, or just looking to add more plant-based proteins to your diet, chickpeas are a fantastic choice. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a bag of these amazing beans. Your culinary possibilities are endless. Chickpeas are not just limited to traditional dishes. They can be used in innovative recipes like chickpea pancakes, chickpea brownies, and even chickpea ice cream. Their adaptability makes them a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. So explore the endless possibilities and make chickpeas a staple in your kitchen. Your taste buds and your health will thank you. Food 4. Quinoa. The superfood superstar. Quinoa is often called a superfood, and for good reason. It's a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. One cooked cup has about 8 grams of protein. Use it as a rice substitute, in salads, or even as breakfast porridge. Quinoa is also rich in fiber, magnesium, B vitamins, iron, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin E, and various beneficial antioxidants. This versatile grain is not only nutritious but also gluten-free, making it a great option for those with gluten intolerance. Food 5. Cottage cheese. The comeback kid. If you consume dairy, cottage cheese is another fantastic protein source. 1 cup contains around 28 grams of protein. Enjoy it on its own, with fruits, or on whole grain toast. Food 6. Tofu. The master of disguise. Tofu, made from soybeans, is an excellent meat alternative with about 10 grams of protein per half cup. It absorbs flavors well, making it great for stir-fries, soups, and even desserts. For a firmer texture, try grilling or baking it. Experiment with different flavors and textures. Tofu is also rich in iron and calcium, making it a nutritious choice. You can find it in various forms, such as silken, firm, and extra firm. Each type is suited for different culinary uses, so don't hesitate to try them all. Food 7. Tempeh. The fermented favorite. Tempeh is a fermented soy-based food with a firmer texture and a nutty taste. It packs 21 grams of protein per 3.5 ounces. Use it in sandwiches, stir-fries, or as a grilled main course. Food 8. Edamame. The poppable protein. Edamame are young soybeans rich in protein, offering 17 grams per cooked cup. They make a fantastic snack or can be added to salads, stir-fries, or dips. Food 9. Chia seeds. Tiny seeds, big nutrition. Don't underestimate chia seeds. They contain around 5 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. Their high fiber and omega-3 content make them excellent for overall health. Try chia pudding, add them to smoothies, or sprinkle on yogurt and oatmeal. Food 10. Nuts and nut butters. The perfect protein pair. Last but not least, we have nuts and nut butters. Almonds, peanuts, and cashews contain about 6 to 7 grams of protein per ounce. Nut butters are perfect for snacking, spreading on toast, or adding to smoothies. Gap 3S. Before we wrap up, let's talk about one more protein-packed powerhouse: hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are a complete source of protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. They are also rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Incorporating hemp seeds into your diet can boost your protein intake and provide numerous health benefits. Sprinkle them on your salads, blend them into smoothies, or even add them to your baking recipes for an extra nutritional punch. Don't overlook these tiny seeds, their impact is mighty. Gap 3S. And now, let's dive into a lesser-known but incredibly potent source of protein: spirulina. This blue-green algae is often hailed as a superfood due to its high protein content and array of essential nutrients. Just 1 tablespoon of spirulina powder can provide up to 4 grams of protein, along with vitamins B1, B2, and B3, iron, and copper. Spirulina is also rich in antioxidants, which can help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Adding spirulina to your diet is easy. You can blend it into smoothies, mix it into juices, or even sprinkle it over your salads. Its unique flavor might take some getting used to, but the nutritional benefits are definitely worth it. So if you're looking to boost your protein intake and nourish your body with a powerhouse of nutrients, give spirulina a try. Now let's move on to our next protein-packed powerhouse. Gap 3S. The last food, let's talk about one more protein-packed powerhouse: seitan. Also known as wheat gluten, seitan is a popular meat substitute among vegetarians and vegans. It is high in protein and has a texture similar to meat, making it a versatile ingredient in various dishes. Preparing seitan at home is simple. Just mix wheat gluten with water, knead it into a dough, and simmer it in a flavorful broth. You can then slice, marinate, and cook it just like you would with meat. From stir-fries to sandwiches, seitan can take on any role. So give it a try and enjoy its substantial benefits. Gap 3S. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about these high-protein foods that aren't meat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the incredible protein sources we've talked about today. From Greek yogurt and lentils to chickpeas and quinoa, we've explored a variety of delicious and nutritious options. Cottage cheese and tofu showed us their versatility, while tempeh and edamame brought unique flavors and textures to the table. Chia seeds, nuts, and hemp seeds packed a punch with their nutrients, and spirulina and seitan offered something different yet equally beneficial. Remember, incorporating these protein-rich foods into your diet can not only help you stay full and energized, but also contribute to a balanced and healthy lifestyle. So, next time you're planning your meals, consider adding one or more of these fantastic options. Thanks again for joining us, and see you in the next video.